Kinetic switches are among the fastest growing products in our range, and that's exactly why we decided to expand it. Let me introduce a new model, the F2 Recessed Kinetic Switch, which is available in two colors to choose from, black or white. What makes it stand out? Above all, convenience of use, compact size, and complete freedom of installation. The switch controls LED lighting within a range of up to 15 meters. It works completely without wires or batteries, so you can install it literally anywhere without modifying your wiring. Every press generates energy that powers the switch and allows you to turn on, turn off, or smoothly dim and brighten the LED lighting connected to the dedicated ERC controller. You have two mounting options to choose from, surface mounted or recessed with a standard 35mm diameter hole cutter. Two colors of the switch housing guarantee that you can easily match it to any interior. That's not all. The switch not only allows you to conveniently manage lighting in any piece of furniture, but a set consisting of a kinetic switch and an ERC controller can be freely expanded by pairing one switch with multiple controllers or one controller with multiple switches. You can find more information about kinetic switches on the Design Light website and from our business partners. And if you want to stay up to date with our offer, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. See you!